All right, this is a 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited, and it's very hard to tell on video as well as in the photos, but this paint is called Sangria Metallic, so it has a really dark undertone of purple, almost like a deep dark plum. So just keep that in mind. You might Google it and just look it up. There are some photos that you can tell a little bit better than others. But it's got the black leather, power driver and passenger seat. Navigation, backup camera. There's a whole list of all the options as well as the window sticker in the comment section and photos. It's got the parallel and perpendicular park assist, so it parks for you. You just control the gas and brake. Auto start stop, lane change assist, eco mode, sport mode. It is 4-wheel drive, so you're going to get all the different terrain management modes here. It's a locking glove box, and then there's the owner's manual. You got a sunroof. And for the second row, they have the vents here, and then 2 USB ports and a 110 outlet. And some little storage compartment netting there. You have the reverse parking sensors, a power lift gate, there's your button for the power lift gate. Has the premium audio. There's another 12-volt outlet. You have the spare tire and jack with some storage under the cover there. Already has window tint on it. Then you also have the front parking sensors. Some LED blinkers here. There's your driver memory seating there. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Automatic headlights. 10,804 miles. There's your adaptive cruise control buttons and your cruise. Bluetooth. Heated front seats and a heated steering wheel. There's your backup camera. You can see your perpendicular and parallel options here for your park assist. You have a USB auxiliary, another USB, and a 12-volt. Garage door opener, and then your power sunroof. And a little storage compartment here. And it is push button start. And it has the remote start feature. Like I said, the window sticker will be screenshots, and those are in the photo section, so you can look through that. And then I'll also have a comment section that gives you all the options on the vehicle.